And as I remember the story you telling me many years ago, this came about because, first of all, playing with your thumb rather than a pick was quieter.
Yeah.
Jack, let's go.
Ever in a town where Wes Montgomery is playing, go and watch him. Notice the key word was watch. Go and watch him, and then come back and show me how he does that.
Everybody's doing all right?
Laws of aerodynamics, of wing surface to body weight. That it's aerodynamically impossible for the bumblebee to fly. But the bee, not knowing this, flies. Wes Montgomery is flying. Just as unknowingly as the bumblebee.
All right, Dad, what do you think of the new house?
It's great.
It's great?
It's great.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
That's sure.
Is flying. Just as unknowingly as the bumblebee.